Lesson 2. Let's do our tasks step by step. In order to make the right tour plan, we need to know what and how many tasks are there. During last session's game, A Trip to Class while playing, we realized that to get to a place, we have to go through some steps or complete some tasks. According to the instructions of the previous session, we have to bring our homework. We will do a lot of tasks in this session based on this homework. In today's session, we will understanding working step by step better. We come to school every day. Maybe we don't come to school a couple of days for some special reasons. We have to do some tasks every day to come to school from home, which we have already written. Let's read the following story with a classmate. Neera is a student of class 6 at Monpura Secondary School. She goes to school regularly. Her elder brother, Nihad, helps her a lot to go to school. One day, Neera thought that if her elder brother, Nihad, was busy with some reason, she would miss the school. She shared this thought with her brother. Nihad said, "You are right, Neera. You will have a problem going to school if I am busy with some work. Let's do a thing. We will make a list while going to school tomorrow of what we do after we wake up every morning. Then if I go somewhere, you can see the list and prepare for school yourself." Neera really liked the idea. The next day, Neera and Nihad made a list of what tasks they completed and wrote how to do those. Their list almost looked like this. So the first step is start. Then second step, wake up from sleep. Third step, toothbrush. Fourth step, have breakfast. Then get dressed for school. Then get a school bag ready. Then get on a rickshaw after leaving home. And then get off at school gate. Then entering classroom, and the last step is end. Neera asked her brother, "Why did you write the start and end in the task list?" This is easily understandable, which is start and which is end. Nihad replied, "Well, this is one type of image or symbol." This time Neera asked, "Why did you put this arrow symbol?" Nihad replied, "This is called flowchart. When you learn computer programming language, you will become a great computer programmer." Isn't it amazing? Neera found that amazing too. Like Neera, let's publish our tasks to come to school from home as a flowchart. For this, we will have a discussion with our classmates and then write. So what we have to do in this box, we have to make a flowchart like this one. What we can do, we can add some extra steps or have to make a flowchart here. So this is all for today. Thank you everyone.